So I'm about to straighten my hair. As you can see, this hair, you know, a little bit rough at the moment, but I'm gonna wash my hair with this. Put this deep conditioner in it, then put this in it. This is heat protectant. And then I'm gonna put one of these oil things in it. I don't know which one. As you could tell, I got all of them. Blow dry it, then straighten it. But first I gotta get in the shower to wash my hair and detangle it and comb it out, all that kind of stuff. So yeah. Okay, so I just washed it and I'm gonna put this in there and one of these, but I don't know which one yet, so hold on. Okay, so this has shea and argan already in it, so I'm gonna use coconut. So I know that this helicopter didn't. Anyway, so like I was saying, I'm gonna use the coconut oil because the conditioner have shea butter and argan oil in it and castor oil. So I already detangled my hair with this brush in the shower when I was doing it or whatever, when I was washing it. Ow. But yeah, I'm just gonna comb through it, put some of this through it in the oil, and then blow dry it. But I'm not gonna record while I'm blow drying or none of that, so hold on. So I'm gonna just rake the conditioner through, and I'm gonna put the rubber band back on it because I'm gonna do each section until it's time for me to blow dry it. It's leaving, so I'm gonna leave it in. So I might end up doing a part 2 if it takes too long, because I'm only on this part and it's almost, you know, over. The 3 minutes almost up. But yeah, so I just rake this through. Yeah, it might be a part 2, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, you just put it in there and then rake it through. Get it through there. And then I'm finna blow dry it. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be a part 2. So I'm finna spray the heat protectant spray because I forgot to on the hair while I'm blow drying it. So since it's gonna be a part 2, I'm gonna record some of the blow drying. I already blow dried a little bit because I forgot to spray the stuff on it though. And I'm finna put it on high so you finna hear it. Hold on. I'm not the best at this. Hold on. Sorry for the inconvenience, but like for part 2. This is the most time consuming.